In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bitwarden if you forget your master password. So I'm going to show you 4 ways, and I hope at least one of them was able to work for you and you get back into your Bitwarden account. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Bitwarden page, bitwarden.com, and then check the accessing site. Make sure you select the right server. The reason why I'm saying that is because sometimes you might register your account through .bitwarden.eu and then you are logging into bitwarden.com. So even if you input your password, it's not gonna go because you didn't select the right server. So make sure you select the right server and use the password that you thought is right. But still, if you're unable to log in and you still see the wrong password, then another way is go for the password hint. So after you enter your Gmail, then click on continue, then get password hint, then click on request hint. Then you are going to send hint to your Gmail inbox. Then you can see the hint, then it will help you to remember the password. Yes, it will help you to remember the password. Assuming still you are unable to remember the password, the third options is hope you have already logged into your account on your mobile phone or another device. Then that way, if you enable the thumbprint, let's assume your phone, your mobile phone, then you've already enabled thumbprint. That way you can be able to use your thumbprint to log into the Bitwarden account. So if you log into the Bitwarden account with your thumbprint, that way you can able to check you can able to access your Bitwarden account, and then go to the security settings, go to security, and then go to emergency access. After you go to emergency access, add emergency contacts. Upgrade your account if you haven't, then add emergency contacts. Through emergency contacts, you can be able to change your password. And the reason it is hard for you to reset your master password is because Bitwarden have zero knowledge encryption architecture. Bitwarden never stores or transmit access or have access to your master password. So unless you set emergency to the upgraded plan or you have your thumbprint to other device, then it should be harder. So that's the third way. And the fourth final way is an indirect way, something like that, in which every password, assuming your Instagram, your social media password, then what you're going to do is just go back to that exact platform. Assuming it is Gmail, you go back to that platform and then you reset the password from each and every platform that you save the password. Then you can just simply create another Bitwarden account. So that simply means you have to have access to your phone number. Yeah, and I think that's it, because majorly through all the platform that you've registered, you must have input your phone number. So through that or your Gmail, then you can be able to reset your password of every platform. Then you can create a new Bitwarden account, then save it back. Those are only the 4 ways that you can be able to access, and I hope one of them work for you. Thank you for watching. If any of them work, please kindly like and subscribe and comment it works. Thank you for watching.